Hi guys, my name is Paul and wow, that was really cool. So today I'm going to show you the cute bird in our school. Look at that Gloopy. This bird name is Gloopy. And now I'm going to show you this bird. Come on, you cute bird. This bird is really cute. Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to give back this. Stuck. Okay, fellow, you stay there. Stay there. Okay, you want to come with me? Okay, you sit there. Yes. Okay, now you come. And this bird is beautiful. Okay, you sit there. Yeah. And I'm going to show you more of the bird. The baby bird. Baby bird is right here. Oh! It just fell off. Here is the baby bird. Look at that. Can you see? These are the baby bird. Come on, guys. Come on. Gloopy is really excited. And this bird, I don't know why it's very lazy. I think this bird is sick, I guess. I think I should keep it in a cage. Let's go there. Come on. And you stay down there. Bye-bye. Hi, Gloopy. Hello. No, don't do that. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe.